Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the science of beauty with an honest and expert touch. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to be a lifesaver for anyone dealing with damaged hair, Wella Professional's Fusion Intense Repair Shampoo. It's designed to repair, protect, and strengthen your strands, especially if you're experiencing hair breakage. So does it live up to its claims? Let's break it down. Wella Professionals is a well-known brand in the hair care industry, and Fusion Intense Repair Shampoo is part of their solution to combat the damage caused by styling, environmental factors, and other hair stressors. It's formulated specifically for damaged hair and claims to deeply repair and protect each strand, all while preventing further breakage. Now, this product is unscented, which I find interesting, because it allows the hair to truly benefit from its ingredients without any overpowering fragrances. When it comes to its ingredients, this shampoo incorporates Wella's unique Silksteel Fusion Complex, a combination of silk amino acids and other strengthening agents that help restore the hair's natural structure. Silk proteins penetrate deep into the hair fiber, promoting smoothness and a healthy appearance. This formula is designed to reduce breakage and improve elasticity, making hair more resilient to everyday wear and tear. In terms of performance, the shampoo is smooth and lathers well, which is a good sign for a repair-focused product. When I used it, I noticed that it didn't dry out my hair, which is a common issue with some shampoos targeting damaged hair. It cleanses without stripping away natural oils, making it suitable for those with dry or fragile hair. After just a few washes, my hair felt noticeably softer and more manageable. In real-world testing, I used this shampoo over the course of a week. I have relatively dry hair that tends to break around the ends, so I really wanted to see if it could help with this issue. I also applied some styling products afterward to see how it held up through styling and daily activities. I have to say, my hair did feel stronger and more hydrated, but the difference in breakage wasn't as dramatic as I had hoped. It didn't transform my hair overnight, but I did notice some improvement after a week of consistent use. Now, let's talk pros and cons. The key pros here are that the shampoo is gentle on the hair while still offering a solid cleansing experience. It doesn't leave hair feeling dry, which is a big win when you're using a repair shampoo. Plus, it's unscented, which some people will love for sensitive scalps. On the downside, it's a bit on the pricier side compared to other drugstore shampoos. And while it does a good job of improving the texture and manageability, it doesn't provide instant, drastic results when it comes to repairing major damage. As for the value for money, considering Wella's reputation and the results I saw, I do think this shampoo is worth it for those who are looking for a targeted treatment for damaged hair. If you're dealing with breakage, this shampoo can definitely make a difference. But if you need an immediate, drastic transformation, it might not be the miracle product you're hoping for. It's not as cheap as some drugstore alternatives, but it offers a more advanced formulation designed specifically for hair repair, which justifies the price to an extent. There are definitely other options on the market, like L'Oreal's Elvive Total Repair 5 or Pantene's Repair and Protect shampoo, which may give you similar results at a lower price point. These are solid alternatives if you're working with a tighter budget but still need to tackle damage and breakage. As for the build quality, the bottle is simple, functional, and durable. Nothing too flashy, but it gets the job done. And there's no need to worry about leakage or mess. The cap is tight and secure. The shampoo has a nice consistency, not too runny or too thick, and it's easy to dispense just the right amount. In terms of longevity, a little bit of this product goes a long way. You won't need to use much to get a good lather, which means the bottle will last you a while, even with daily use. In terms of customer support, Wella is known for being responsive and offering a reliable warranty if you have issues with the product, but I didn't need to contact them personally during my use. So what's the final verdict? Wella Professional's Fusion Intense Repair Shampoo is a strong contender for anyone looking to treat and prevent hair breakage and damage. While it may not work miracles overnight, with regular use, it does help improve hair strength and manageability. If you're dealing with moderate damage or you need a shampoo that's gentle yet effective for daily use, this could be a great fit. If you're seeking an instant fix for heavily damaged hair, though, you might need something a little more intense. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried Wella's Fusion Shampoo, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.